Ella Mai. Ella Mai, sis, you know you got hits on your hands when you got the hood niggas on the block slapping your song and singing your song on the block, sis.
Got to pay, added some sun and rain, blended it together with grace. Still I had to wait, cause it wanted me to be strong for the days I walk up.
What's up, guys? It's your girl NeyahNecole, and I am back with another video. Have y'all been liking these fall looks? I have really been enjoying these neutral fall looks, and then sometimes I switch it up and add a little glitter, a little glam to it. But today, I kept it real basic, real neutral with the look, and I am loving it. Okay? So if you want to see this look, make sure you stay tuned. I know this is not a normal video that I usually would do, so I'm going to do a makeup tutorial, and then I'm going to share my opinion at the end on how I feel about the Ella Mai album. So if you want to know how I feel about the new Ella Mai album, you got to stay tuned until the end. You have to watch the full makeup tutorial before I tell you my opinion on the new Ella Mai album. Okay? So watch the tutorial, and I'll see you guys in a second. Hey y'all, so you know a fall look is not complete without using the Morphe 3502 palette. I'm starting off with the orange in my crease to just blend out. This is going to be a really soft brown fall look, so you don't want to do too much. And it's just really easy to follow this tutorial. You're literally losing 2 to 3 colors, nothing major. We already know how I feel about blending, so get your blending brush and go ahead and blend that out real nice and pretty, y'all. So this is a step where it's going to kind of be repetitive because you're going to put this brown on your lid and you're just going to keep building, blending, building, blending until you get the desired brown look that you're going for. Take your time, don't rush it, and do it as many times as you want. Just keep building and blending. Build and blend. Y'all know that's some of our favorite sayings. Build and blend, girl. Build and blend. I did here was take a 1 shade darker brown and I just put it in my crease a little bit on the edge, and now I'm just blending it out. Nothing major. I'm telling y'all, this is the most simplest look you'll ever do in your life. Because I was going for that kind of cat eye, I have to clean it up to make sure that it's sharper than a knife, okay? Go ahead and take a wipe and just clean it off. Now we're going to move to the face. I'm taking my contour color and I am just adding some color and dimension to my face. Y'all know we ain't going out the house without contouring our nose, so go ahead and contour your nose. I am going to come back and really blend this out right now. I am just tracing the contour. I also want to do a full in-depth video about how I contour my nose and just contour my face in general, so stay tuned for that because I really think I'm going to do that because people ask me all the time how I do it. So it's coming, y'all. I promise it's coming. Now I'm just going to add a little blush. I don't really go heavy on the blush, so it's something real light to just chisel the cheeks, chisel the cheeks. This is where I'm going to go blend out my nose contour. Just blend her out so you can't really tell, but you can see the dimension that we're creating, the shadow on the nose that we're creating. The fact that my backdrop is just all messed up in this video. Anyways, we're going to go through the face, take this really big brush and just blend everything, make sure everything is seamless and beautiful and nice and blended with this. Now I'm going to go in with my setting spray. And you know, we take a beauty blender and we press that into the face. I don't know what happened to the footage of me putting my highlight on. It went missing, but you know, highlight is after this step. We all know at this point, a look is not complete without wing liner. My eyes just made for wing liner, so I just feel like I have to do a wing liner almost every day. Go ahead and sweep that brown on the bottom lash line to make your eyes pop a little more. I only recommend doing this step if you really know how to control liquid eyeliner and you know what you're doing, because this will burn you if you do not know what you're doing. So I do this because I know what I'm doing. So only do this if you know what you're doing. Please do not hurt yourself. Now I'm taking my Big Shot mascara. What's up, Shayla? Girl, this mascara is boom. You and Maybelline did that. Shout out to you. Now it's lash time. I believe these are the Allure Mink lashes. If not, they're the Allure Vegas Nail lashes, the red box. It's one or the other because there's only 2 lashes that I wear. Yeah, we're just going to be really focused and put all our lashes on. Time for final touches, and I'll be right back. If love right in front of you, ain't gotta look no more, baby. I wanna build this love. Everything you want, you ain't gotta ask for. You got me boot up, boot up, boot up, boot up. So you from the jump, I don't wanna choose you. Got me boot up, boot up, boot up, boot up. Grab me by the waist, baby, pull me closer. We already know those Ella Mai songs. They popping out in these streets already. That was Trip and Bullet Up, then Fire. I love them songs. So Ella Mai just dropped her album. Well, technically this morning, but because I'm on the West Coast, it came out last night at 9 p.m. So, you know, I'm like, oh, I love Ella Mai. Like, I've been supporting Ella Mai for mixtape days, okay? Like, She Don't with Ty Dolla $ign is one of my favorite songs. Like, Naked is one of my favorite songs. Like, Ella Mai is that person to me. So I'm like, okay, you know what? Let me go down on her album. She has 16 songs on her album. I was listening to the songs. I already heard the song Whatchamacallit with Chris Brown. I thought it was fire. Y'all did that. So another song that I really like is called Shot Clock. That song is amazing. 24 seconds, yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds, can you beat the shots up? What you waiting on, look daddy? I ain't got that much time. You seem anxious, you seem adamant, but you ain't pressed my line. Wondering why. Okay, so I really like that song. That song is fire to me. Another one of the songs that really stood out to me on the album is called Gut Feeling featuring Her. Hey, Bay Area homie. I'm going to just say that because I don't want to put your business out there like that. But, hey, boo, I hope you like it. Okay. Gut Feeling featuring Her. Beautiful. Beautiful.
It's different. Something deep inside got me wondering why I don't understand why I can't put my finger on what the fuck is all was missing.
What I will say about this album, those are just my faves right now. Those are the ones that really just caught my attention listening to it the first time. Which made me, once I was done listening to the whole album, it made me want to go back and listen to it to a second time, you know? So those are just the ones that really just caught my full and undivided attention when I first listened to it, right? The other songs are definitely fire, don't get me wrong. He also has a feature with John Legend, which I thought was really, really dope. Oh, another song that was really good that stood out to me was called Sauce. I'm not gonna play it just because I want to wrap this little part of the video up. But Sauce was another great song that I thought was on the album. What I will say is I expected her album to kind of be more like Boot Up and Trip. You feel me? But that's because I guess that's what we've been listening to for so long. Those songs have been out for so long. That's kind of what I was expecting, I was looking for. But what she did, I'm glad that she switched up the music based on a lot of people always say that, oh, she has this one sound, she's stuck in this one place, da 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 da. She does that. So I'm glad that she said, you know what, let me show you that I could really sing. I do see myself playing this all cuddle season. You know, it's about to be winter, so you know, we taking auditions right now for cuddle season, and auditions wrap up real soon, like a couple days after Halloween. So we need to chop because we don't have that much time. We don't have that much time. Ella Mai, sis, you know you got hits on your hands when you got the hood niggas on the block slapping your song and singing your song on the block, sis. I'm really proud. I really like your album. You forever have a fan of me. Even though I was a fan before the album, I was a fan before the Boot Up. But you know, I just want to let you know that I'm really proud. I love your album. I will be slapping it. I hope you get #1 on the charts. I hope all your dreams come true with this album. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I hope you like this makeup look. I hope you like Ella Mai's new album. If you don't have it already, what are you doing? Go download it. Go support her. Like, she's bomb. Like, y'all sleep. Wakey. Wake up. Go download her songs. Go buy her album. Go support her. Go stream it. Whatever you need to do, go support sis. She's out here doing the damn thing. Okay? If you like this video, if you like this makeup look, if you like just my review of me doing Ella Mai's album, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and share it with your homegirl, because I know you're gonna call her anyways. Like, Neyah just put me onto Ella Mai's album, sis. You should go watch me a video to see what she said, because sis, if you ain't got it, you need to get it, sis. Period. Okay? I will see you guys in my next video.